In this video, I'm about to show you how to set up the Wix custom form to Mailchimp. First, open Google Chrome and search for Mailchimp. Then, click the first link to go to the Mailchimp website. Now, in the top right corner, click on Login. After that, click on Continue with Google. Next, choose your Google account and then click on Continue. If you're new to Mailchimp, you'll need to create an account. Click here to start the sign-up process. Now, enter your business mail, create a username, and set a password. Then, check the box to accept the terms and click Sign Up. After sign up, open Gmail to verify your account. Look the Mailchimp verification email and click on Activate Account. Now, Mailchimp will prompt you to complete your profile. Here, enter your first and last name, business name, and phone number. Next, fill out your business address, including address line 1, address line 2, city, and state, province, region. Mailchimp will then ask how you sell to your customer and your top goal with Mailchimp. Select the answer that apply and continue answering the question based on your preferences. You can skip questions like confirming your industry if you want. Once you've completed the profile setup, you'll see different plan options. Here you can select a paid plan or choose to continue with the free plan. Now on the Mailchimp dashboard, click on Create in the top left corner. Then select Sign Up Form and click Surveys followed by Get Started. Now you can create a custom survey form. Click on Create New Survey to begin. To personalize your survey, click on the plus icon and then choose Introduction. Next, if you want to add an image, click on Image. Now open a new tab, search for Wix, and go to Images to download a Wix logo or a relevant image. After that, return to Mailchimp, click on Add and select Upload Image. Then, upload the Wix image you just downloaded and add a description for it. Once your design is ready, click on Continue to Design to make any final adjustment. Then click on Review to check your survey and click Exit Preview. Finally, click on Continue and then View Preview to see your completed form. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.